Hello everyone, and welcome to this course where we will cover the fundamentals of ACAP development for the Axis network cameras.
So we have also installed an ACAP application that has a configuration so that we can see what happens once we roll back. So let's just go to settings and set something easy to remember.
I'm standing here with my two colleagues, Olats.
Hello everyone.
And Dimitris.
Hi everybody.
So together we will walk you through this course and walk you through this whole process of understanding how to use the network cameras to create your own edge applications. And we know that it can be hard to comprehend the full documentation from the start already before you know how the system works.
And let's make sure also that the hello world message is printed to the application log. And as you can see here, the message is indeed printed to the application log, which means our application did run successfully. But what happens when an application contains a bug?
So we will take it step by step and make it fun with a lot of exercises and follow along steps during the way. So what will you show, Dimitri?
Hi everybody. Together we will be taking a look at some of the very early steps of ACAP development, which is connecting your camera, understanding how you can get access to it, and solving different problems that might arise in the way. So let's see how we can connect our cameras, and let's start with the M4308. So in a similar fashion as in the previous lesson, we have connected our PoE injector. While in this case, instead of connecting to a router, the LAN output will go straight to our computer's Ethernet port. If we connect the camera directly to the computer using a PoE injector, then the PoE injector is only responsible for adding power to the cable. The camera on Ethernet level is connected directly to the computer, and that means we don't have a DHCP installed and running on our system, and both the computer and the camera will wait for someone to assign IP addresses to them. And now all we need to do is configure our DHCP server by going to the settings page.
And saying that I want to share internet connection from my Wi-Fi, and I want to share it to this USB Ethernet adapter, which is the one that I'm connecting my camera to.
So other than that, we're also going to build and run our first ACAP application in an Axis camera.
So do we need to have our own cameras to get started?
No, just like we will cover in this course, you don't need a camera to get started. You can borrow one from Axis themselves by using the Axis Virtual Loan tool.
Perfect, there's an available one, so then we can just go ahead and click on loan.
And we have a whole lesson dedicated to how you can do it and how you can develop ACAPs using it, so you have nothing to worry about and you don't need any camera to get started.
All of this and much more we will show in the course, together with best practices that makes you a good ACAP developer directly from the start.
So this means that the application will run as the root user. And typically for security reasons, you don't want to run the ACAP application as root. You would instead run it as the SDK user or use a dynamic user.
So let's get started with our first lesson.